All right, everybody. So today we're going to be going over some hip stability and strength exercises. If you have knee pain or even lower back pain, it could usually stem from a lack of hip stability. Now, first we're going to be going over a basic clamshell exercise. Now, this exercise is great for activating the glutes, especially the glute med, and working that hip strength. Now, you're going to have one foot stacked up on top of the bottom foot, and you're just going to abduct or open up the hip. So depending on your goal, 15 to 20 reps should be sufficient to stimulate the hip abductors. You can also add a band for this exercise for additional resistance. Now, for a progression where we're going to have a little bit more stability, we're going to be doing the clamshell in a side plank position. So make sure that your elbow is directly underneath your shoulder, palm face down, and you're going to come up on that bottom knee where you'll then perform the clamshell exercise. Now we're working our strength and stability. Next exercise we're going to do is a single leg kickback. So not only are we going to be working a little bit of knee stability along with this one, but working the hip stability in the way that we're going to hinge backwards, and then we're going to perform a hip abduction movement. Now you can also tie an extremely light band around the ankles here, or you can even do a moderate intensity band above the knee. This exercise will also incorporate a little bit of ankle stability as well. So make sure that you have that nice tripod setup, so keeping the weight in the middle of your foot, and you're going to perform around 10 to 15 repetitions per side. Ensure that your core is engaged and that you're focusing on maintaining as much balance as possible during this exercise. Remember, this exercise is not about the leg that you're kicking out and the abduction. This is about the planted leg and maintaining that stability of the hip. Give these a try and let me know what you think.